Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Warp Factory. My brain has had a couple days to rest. I'm finally getting back to it, so you can trust that I've forgotten everything I need to know. Looks like we did Practicum, and we can either move to Elementary Physics, which is off in a side area, I guess, or Advanced Academy, which is what opens up the rest of the game, maybe teaches us more kinds of objects. Let's have a look at Elementary Physics. Separator. Ooh, sort things. Okay. This is me. So we... I don't know how to sort... Wait, so they just give me one of each, or... Okay, they come in as separate objects. And they do come in alternating, so... Okay. So I don't need, like, an unwelder, at least not yet. And I don't think I need a way to react to what's happening. I just need to sort of separate stuff. Oh, that's... I assume... I mean, I could maybe construct something that can take every other item, and that would work. But I bet it makes more sense to somehow make use of the fact that this one is taller. Put an obstacle up that would stop this, but not this, or something. Can't think of a way to do that, though. Because I want to put, like, I want to do like that, welded in, of course, and, like, put this up, and then only the blue one could go this way. But then what do I do with the red one, right? You could also try something funny like, putting in a sideways portal like this? There's a thought. So if... In this way, right, the idea is... Well, wait, does this actually work? They'll both come out on the same side of this, won't they? They'll both come out just tall. No, that's right. I tilted it right. So the idea would be the red one I could catch here, right? Yes, of course. That's why I had to make it too tall. It's going to come out too wide. Yes. Okay. So I can put something that'll catch the red one and let the blue one fall. Okay, easy then. And it would just look like that, right? Except I do have to leave myself space to rotate it, I guess. By putting it back through another portal. Alright, I have to... So this is wrong, obviously. I just want to get a feel for which direction it needs to rotate in and make sure that what I have is working. Yeah, okay. So I just need to rotate any 90 degrees, right? Which means portal there that comes out here, right? Not there, higher up. Like that. And then we can wipe out all of that stuff. Still need that glued in though, huh? Yeah. Am I getting both of them out at the same instant, by the way? I'm not, right? The red one's getting out first. So if I put a teleporter here for the blue one, I would speed things up a bit. Just like that should do, right? Does that actually get them both out? I know it doesn't matter. I don't have to get them out at exactly the same time. No, it gets one blue out before the reds start going. That's fair enough. The reds have more work to do. Yeah, let's just sit here and wait for 50 of these. Are you kidding me? Well, that's a cool sorter. I wonder if that was the solution that they... I assume there are several, like, reasonable ways to do it, and this was one of them. I don't know if one of them is privileged as, like, the obvious solution. Okay. So, are these a single object, or... They don't look it, right? Yeah, okay. That's exciting. Okay. This actually seems easier, in a way. Because they all come in kind of as the same lump thing. Oh, well, what I was thinking of doing might not actually work. My thought was I'll do this. And then I'll have, like, the red and the blue will come out the bottom, and these guys... I'll shave off the top. I guess I can do it in the other order, right? Right, first... I shave the blue, the green and the white off the top, and I deposit them down here for working with. Actually, I guess this could be pretty far to the left. I could do this, right? Oh, I was imagining, again, that these would fall as a single unit, but they won't. I don't actually need it to be 3 wide. 2 is enough. Oh, you can actually just remove a block like that? Oh, let's undo that. There you go. So now, at the top, I basically have the original problem. I have this thing spewing out alternating blues and reds, right? Yeah. Of course, it only works so far because this stuff's blocking things up. But this is easy to fix, right? They come out like that. And so I can just catch them here and push them forward via 2 separate portals. 1, 2, 3. Put it there, I guess. And the one that comes out on top was the white one or the green one? The white one. So like so. And like so, right? That handles those two just fine? No. Am I dumb? Did I do it backwards? Oh, there's nothing to push the white one. Right, once... These aren't welded together, so this just pushes the green one out from under the white one. It doesn't actually... I see. Well, why am I rotating these at all? Why not just push them out to the right where they're already easy to deal with? Yeah, of course. I forget, how do I make the other end of this portal? Just push it out like this in the exact same direction it was coming in. Right, and then have two portals, not elders, two portals underneath. Now that I've separated the blue and the red, I can do, like... Wait. But they won't come out as a single unit. Right, so I have to do the same thing of splitting them with a conveyor belt first. So the white one will get caught by this and moved on, but the green one won't. Like that? Yes, yes, weld it together. You fucking love welding. The green one falls in and goes out, the white one goes through. Yeah, that looks good. Now we just have to split the red and the blue up here using, I believe, a similar trick, right? Not quite, because I'm rotating them. But again, let's just not rotate them. Split them out in the same order, basically. Oh, did I do this backwards? Yeah, now I can catch the blue one, but not the red one. Maybe what I'll do is put this here. And toss one more portal in here. It's hard to imagine something more efficient than this, isn't it? I like it. It's a little harrowing up here. It's lucky nothing falls through because I am getting things offset a bit. But it works. I'll pour a drink while we wait for this to go through. Cool. Well, that was kind of a fun one. I thought it was easier. It wasn't. This is like a puzzle box in reverse, huh? How do you do this? Jeez, really? Okay, so I guess the top of this is where you have to start working, because that's the only place you can easily pull out a single piece, the blue one. So I have in mind flipping this upside down, and then having something that would catch the white piece and pull it one direction, and catch the green piece and pull it the other direction, and let the blue piece fall through into a teleporter to go here. And then what would I do with the red piece that falls into that same area? I guess there would be a conveyor belt as well as the single teleporter, right? Yeah, that seems like it should work. So let's start by flipping it upside down, which I don't believe we can do by... Is there a way to zoom in? It seems like this is the largest... There we go. Largest area we've had to work with before, and it's a little bit hard to see how the portals are laid out, I guess. So I don't think you can make it upside down by catching it here and then letting it out, because you would have to have it pointing up again to do that, I think. So instead, I'll just turn it upside down this way. That flips it, that rotates it, which is fine, I think? I don't really care about its horizontal orientation, just vertical. Yeah, see how the blue one falls out here? Oh. I keep thinking it would all come out as a unit. And I could put a teleporter like here. But I can't. The blue falls first because it's not connected to anything. And so if I put like just a teleporter here, it's fine. It wasn't the plan I had, but I can put a teleporter here and like next to it a conveyor belt or something to catch the green thing, right? And I don't think I can pick up... I was imagining, could I put like a teleporter right here, where this white thing is, to pick it up immediately and put it out over here? I could, right? I could put a 3 tall teleporter here and just dump it out this way and catch it with this conveyor belt. The problem is that green thing then would fall onto the teleporter and not go any further. Okay. So I need to separate these two pieces with a conveyor belt like I planned. I think I need a little more room to work with on the left though. So I'm gonna scoot this over a bit. And somewhere right about here. No. Yes? Here, if I put the blue thing there, what happens to the green thing when it falls to that spot? Yeah, I can put a teleporter or a conveyor belt here and here, pushing left. And one here, pushing right. But the red thing is going to be difficult when I do that, right? It'll fall down after the green thing, I guess? Or it should be fine. Yeah, I think this is okay. So we put you there. I think we probably only need one of these, and the rest will just get jammed into a portal at some point, right? And you here. Ah. Right, there's no part view on that side. I was thinking I could push it. If these both pointed left, then I could pull this thing off to the left side. But then the white one would fall in the same space, so that's no good. I think instead, I have to do this. Let them both fall to the right. And go through another teleporter to reorient them so that I can separate the white thing more cleanly. Goodness, this is tricky. So if I put a teleporter here, it would catch this entire shape, right? I could also put one here, similarly, depending on how I need to rotate it. I want this side facing down. Don't I? If this edge is the bottom, then I can... I guess what I would do then is... I can't just push this left. That won't work. Instead, I need to catch this edge here and let the rest fall through. Push it right. Then I'll have the green thing, and I'll have these two together, the white and red, and I'll still need to separate them. Okay, so to do that, I need to rotate clockwise. Starting here. A gap of 2, and then my teleporter, which is 4 tall. And it needs to come out rotated clockwise. That's what this is, isn't it? I think so. Yes. Now here with a gap of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I can put one of those things. You're gonna need something to anchor it to, but I think that's gonna be a portal here, basically. Oops. Need the other end, huh? How that comes out rotated, I'll figure out in a minute. I just want to make sure this way of separating works. I guess I need more conveyors here, right? Yeah. But the point is, yes, it works. Has to go like that far, I think. I think I could cut this last one, but just in case, let's leave them all in and see how that goes. Actually, I don't need any of these. I just need a teleporter, like, here to catch it again, right? And then rotate it clockwise? No. Rotate it and flip it, right? Yeah, which I can do. So that is a clockwise rotation and then a flip, I think. You get this damn thing out of my way. I'm trying to draw. How do I, like... hate it. How does that look? Do I get the green thing out in the right shape? What? It started... it started moving along the ceiling. What happened? Okay, I don't quite understand this. No. Wait, it worked a couple times and then it broke? That's even weirder. Oh, it was caught... was it caught by something back here? So it separates fine. Because it has this thing to land. Oh, wow. But then... the next one's fine also. And it messes up once this block starts. That's fine. I just have to fix this then. Okay. So remind me what I have coming out up here. I have these guys. Well, if I had that flipped, it would be pretty easy, wouldn't it? It's not quite what I meant. Yeah, and now I can just put a catcher for the red thing as a portal, and the white thing grab with a conveyor belt. And can I just put a portal here, or? Can I just do that? Is that enough oomph? Or do we need a conveyor somewhere? Yeah, the conveyor's here, pick it up. Oh no, okay. So we changed how this green thing behaves. So I still don't get what happened to the green guy. Green is going along just fine, right? Isn't it just falling? No, the problem is there's nothing pushing it any further in this direction now, right? So it starts to fall until it lands on this and gets pushed. I see. Here's a crazy idea. Can you, like, do that? Have these things... Oops, that's backwards. Can you have it get pulled down like this? I guess I need welded in as well. Does that work? Is that stronger than, like, gravity or whatever other force? It does work. Huh. Okay. I guess from the perspective of this piece, it's something pulling on, like, we leave and this bit is what's being pulled on, right? The kind of... Once it gets over here, it's a different part being pulled on. Somehow, like... I don't quite understand the physics of what's happening here. I guess in some sense, gravity is giving it conflicting directions on the two sides of the portal. I don't really know how it's decided which set of instructions wins, but if it's attached to a conveyor belt on one side or the other, that also solves it, I guess. As long as they don't conflict. We'll let this one go by a little bit slowly to admire our handiwork. T square. Build a square from T pieces. So we get 4 T's, which is a total size of 16, and we have to build a 4x4 box. So that does seem possible. What does it look like to do that? You could put a T here, then another T here, and a T here, and a T here. Okay, so they fit in pretty nicely. Could you break it into 2 pieces, build 2 halves, and glue them together? Or does that interlock in some unpleasant way? No, you totally could. They would even be identical. But okay, whatever. So this doesn't seem very hard, but there's always a lot of fiddling, even in conceptually simple solutions so far. And I don't imagine it's going to get less fiddly. So let's just send you and you to a portal together up there, right? Like, oops. But I want you oriented differently, I think. So what happens if I do that? How do y'all get along that way? Oh, well, one of you obviously won't fit, you big dummy. Okay, you're upside down. What happens if I flip at this end? Did that make any difference? I don't know. I think it doesn't, right? Because I just flipped, yeah, I flipped the left and right halves, so okay, whatever. But this is fine, right? We just need to sync them a bit better by having this go up by 2 and this down by 1, I think. Yeah. Then, join them together like that? With a welding box here? Let's maybe try welding them to something? I mean, I know this is not going to work. We're going to need more stuff, but I just want to see that I have the right idea. In terms of joining them together, and then I'll move it somewhere more appropriate. Yeah, they get welded together. Perfect. That's what I wanted. Actually, this isn't such a dumb idea, is it? I could put them right here. As long as I put a portal there. Oh. I actually want that block. I still need something to hang this stuff off of. And it needs to be 3 tall, I believe. Yeah, there you go. That works. Then we just have to do the same thing again on the bottom and glue the pieces together. Fortunately, we have a very easy way to do the same thing again, since everything's oriented properly. Although I guess might get in the way? No, none of the other stuff looks like it's conflicting, so I can do this, right? Yeah, now I have two halves, and I can just glue them together. Great. One of them needs to be flipped upside down. Well, let's just put a welder there. Figure that'll be useful. I probably don't want this bit here. I want this to be neutral, just a box. Because otherwise, you have to get the timing just exactly right. If you leave a big enough gap, which I guess in this case would be a total size of like 3, then like this, then when the bottom half, say, lands here, better be the bottom half lands here, it won't have enough size to push it through. It'll be stuck 1, 2, 3 wide here and won't be able to go on. Then when we drop the top half in on top of it, the top half will have one bit sitting here, which will push it forward, and then it'll be melded up, and they'll all catch on this bit and go forward. Not melded, welded. Oh, meld is fine. Joined. So I think we can just have the bottom half drop right over here. We don't need any weird business, right? And so that could be, say, this piece. We could do this. Right. Then we just need this piece to come out, not flipped, but rotated 180 degrees, right? If we mirror it, it'll come out. I don't know if I can do that by just reorienting the portal I already have. Right, I could make it point upward, but then... Oh. Well, no. I was thinking I could actually put a portal here and have a conveyor belt on the side pushing it up. That's fine. But I think then as soon as I tried to move it forward, it would fall back down partway into the portal, and that would be no good. So I think I'll just add another portal or two to reorient things, I guess. Which I think should be as simple as a horizontal portal on its left that comes out on the right. So, like that. I probably don't need all of those conveyors, but it's fine. Yeah, that's a 180 spin. So how does that look? Oh, it's beautiful. Oddly satisfying. Look at... Ah! Hey, how dare you? Oh, the weld point was in the wrong place, maybe? Oh, yeah, the bottom half gets pushed. But then only the bottom gets caught. There's nothing to... Okay, so I think though, I can fix that with just a simple conveyor here. There's nothing to make the top half keep going, right? But now... Nope. Didn't help at all. Now, obviously I could move the meld point to here. I mean, maybe that's all I have to do. I didn't notice whether that was actually sufficient. It looks right, though, right? Yeah. Now, do I still need this? I think I don't. Yeah, because it's the same as this, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, that's a cool one. I mean, look at me make big box. Big box, good. And it's nice having copy-paste at least, so you don't have to repeat the kind of same thing. I have achieved physicist. Okay, yeah. Alright, so there's a couple more levels in elementary physics, but I think we're gonna declare a break here. That is the end of the episode. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.